Hi guys, Stereo here. We at Glentana Beach. We're going to try my second day at my metal detecting. My wife suggested we must come here. Yeah, so it's not a very busy beach at the moment, but that's cool.
So we're here in the soft sands of Glentana, and there is 100,000 of these coming up on the beach. They're actually really cool looking. Nonetheless, don't step on them, guys. They are not fun to get wrapped around your leg. Chill. So we're walking down the beach and we see this fish. Obviously I don't know what it is. It's already half decomposed. I think it could be a mussel cracker here in South Africa, but if you know what fish it looks like, leave a comment in the description box below. It doesn't smell actually, regardless of the flies. Ew. Just a quick look around at how beautiful and serene this area is. So it's just past 10 in the morning, and I mean the beach is empty. Get something. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Got it.
It's a swivel for fishing.
We found an old shoe. Obviously the buckles. Yeah, that's old. I can't even tell what make it is. Can you? Old man's boots. No, I can't even see on the tread. Oh well, that will be staying right over there. Cool find. Wow. Sad, but so interesting. Like, found a seagull on the beach. She's obviously no more. But just look at its skeleton. It's so interesting. Wonder what happened to the poor dude. Oh, there's plenty more where these came from, but shame. Let's leave him be. I'm just walking and I just saw this sticking out of the sand. I've got no idea what that is. Let's have a look. Oh, it's an old toy. Okay. It's actually quite heavy. What is that? I don't know what that is. Anyway, quite a cool little find as well. Okay, going into the bag. So, that was another bottle cap after a small dig, not too bad. Anyway, into the pocket. I just want to show you guys what a white mussel is. I'm sure you get them, I don't know where, all over the world, but I love these. Like this gorgeous purple. White on the outside. Loads of people use this actually to make little butterflies on their walls and homes, especially at the beach houses. So they're pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, that's going home onto the shelf for the rest.
How's it guys? Stereo, yeah. I'm at Herolds Bay. I wanted to go in the tide pool with a metal detector. At the moment, really rough. Tide's quite high. I will give it a go if the tide goes down a little. But right now, I'm just going to try and work on this beach and see if there's anything. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff washing out. The tide's quite high. Water's really rough. Okay, so I'm getting signal here. It's 82, 90, it's very bouncy. I am going to dig it and see what it is. There we go. So R1. Excellent. Slightly crusted up, but it's cool. We've got it cleaned up. Get anything. I only got a few coins and a bit of crap. But it's cool. I'll carry on trying. I'll try again tomorrow. So yeah. Okay, so we're back home. Had a fun day. Still learning the metal detector, learning the notes. I did switch off the description mode where I actually put off some of the other metals and the bottle caps. They got a bit annoying, but Debbie did find a few cool things with her beach larking. For those of you guys that enjoyed Debbie's videos, leave a comment below, leave a like. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be making lots more of this kind of stuff. Yeah, it's really fun. I enjoy making these videos. Hope you guys also enjoy it. Leave a comment below. Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.